Asiana Airlines. As we spread our new wings, we ascend to the sky, reaching ever higher altitudes. Flying far above the world, we are soaring into a better future. To meet our goal, to be the world's best airline company, our highest values are always focused on service and safety. Asiana, for a beautiful future. A company that has earned the highest levels of trust. A company committed to putting forward their utmost efforts in fulfilling their customers' needs. A company that recognizes and satisfies their ethical duties to society. To preserve the beauty of the planet and enhance the lives of those that live on it. We are working hard to protect the environment while supporting culture and the arts the world over. As a proud member of the global community, our efforts in increasing the world's beauty are unceasing.
I watch your face while you are asleep, arrested in grace. I want to keep.
Ever since our first flight in 1988, on every route we serve around the world, Asiana has been a leader and innovator. That tradition continues today. We provide our customers with safe, comfortable, and on-time performance. With luxurious state-of-the-art aircraft, the latest navigation systems, advanced safety training for our flight crews, flawless maintenance. Every day, in the air and behind the scenes, Asiana people are redefining the standards for safety and service. At Asiana Airlines, we treat our customers like family, right down to family care service. With magic shows and a children's corner to make travel more fun. Our distinctive dining has won the Mercury Award, the most prestigious honor for in-flight meals. Even our wines are selected by the world's most discriminating sommeliers. Together with our Star Alliance partners, our service comes truly from the heart, making your journey worthy of your destination. Year after year, Asiana wins award after award. We are continually hailed around the world for our service and in-flight amenities. ATW, the globally renowned airline industry magazine, has named us Airline of the Year. We have won the world's highest honor, 5 stars from Skytrax. The experts agree, and so will you. When you fly Asiana, you fly on the world's #1 airline. At any level or any position, our people are fully dedicated. We are completely committed to extending our finest efforts and unwavering responsibilities to our work. This is what we call Sekdong Energy. In the past, we have strived to achieve the greatest in customer comfort and satisfaction. And now, we transcend even that in a new awakening. The name that outshines all others in the world's skies. An unforgettable name, engraved on the world's heart. A name synonymous with beauty. Asiana Airlines.